My name is Sarah, and I'm 23 years old. I'm from a small village in Georgia, where everybody knows your name and your secrets. I met David at a local bookstore when I was 18. He had a crooked smile, a calm voice, and eyes that made you feel like you were the only person in the world. He was 21 and just moved from Charleston, South Carolina. Said he needed a fresh start. I believed him. We started dating a week later. By month 3, I was in love. By month 6, I was living in his cabin in the woods. The cabin was quiet, too quiet. No neighbors, no Wi-Fi, no cell service. David said it was romantic. Just us and the world. But soon things changed. He started locking the bedroom door at night, said he had nightmares, and didn't want to hurt me in his sleep. I laughed it off. Then he started asking strange questions. What would you do if I disappeared? Would you still love me if I wasn't human? He laughed after, but his eyes never did. One day I cleaned the attic and found a locked box under the floorboards. David never told me about it. Naturally, I picked the lock. Inside was a journal. It wasn't David's handwriting. The name on the first page read, Emily. Age 22. She wrote about meeting a charming guy at the bookstore, moving into his cabin, losing touch with friends and family. Her last entry simply said, I thought he loved me. That night I asked David who Emily was. He paused, smiled. She wasn't strong enough to stay, and said, I hadn't noticed the door in the hallway before. It looked older than the rest of the house, almost hidden behind the wallpaper. That night, while David was out, I opened it. The stairs creaked like they hadn't been touched in years. At the bottom, a room, cement walls, chains, old clothes, and a wall of photos of women. All different, all smiling, all wearing the same necklace. My necklace. When David came home, I was waiting for him with the journal in one hand and the necklace in the other. He didn't yell, didn't deny it. He just said, You weren't supposed to find that yet. I ran, out the door, into the woods. I didn't stop until I hit the main road. A car stopped. An older woman rolled down her window and said, Let me guess, you thought he loved you too. Now I live in a women's shelter. I changed my number, my hair, my name. I tried to report David, but no records of him exist. No birth certificate, no ID, nothing. The cabin burned down 2 weeks after I escaped. One night I was cleaning out my inbox when I saw an unread message with no sender. The subject line. You looked beautiful in the red dress. I never told anyone what I wore the day I ran. Attached was a photo. Me, asleep in my new apartment. The photo had been taken from inside my bedroom. And next to me, on the pillow, was the same necklace I left behind in David's basement.